Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to make Instagram account private. First, you should go and open Instagram application on your phone. Then you want to go and click on your profile icon on the bottom right side. Then go and click on the hamburger icon on the top right side. And now we should make sure first that your account is not a business account, because if it is a business account, by default, it's going to be public. So it is not going to be private. So in order to do so we have to scroll down. If you see here this section for professionals, here we do not have the option business tools and controls, but we have creator tools and controls. So click on it. Then now you should scroll down till you find here switch account type. Click on it. Then now we can choose between business account or personal account. I'm going to switch it to personal account. Then I'm going to click on switch to personal account. So this is a very necessary step in order to make your account private. Now I was actually switching it to creator account, and that's why I couldn't actually do the account private. Now go back, go and click on the hamburger icon on the top right side again. Then scroll down, and now we have here in this section who can see your content, account privacy. Tap on it. Then you should toggle this option on, the private account. Toggle this option on. Then click on switch to private, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.